Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Well, if you're not good at doing this, then this is one way that you could do. I'm going to rewrite b squared as b times b. And I'm going to rewrite b cubed as b times b times b because it makes things easier. I can divide by 3 to give me 1 over 9. I can divide by a away to give me 1 over 1. I can also divide away all this b. So eventually you can see that the numerator 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 will give me 1. And the denominator would be 9b. And that's the final answer. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.